coffee is amazing. Hi everyone, Stefan here with Bohemian Tales. If you're new to the channel, I live and travel and I work in my self-built camper van, Ganapati. It's a Ford E350. That's my baby right there. And today I'm in the desert. I'm going to make some lunch and hopefully later on tonight I'm gonna be able to not only make a campfire but also do a few snacks on the cast iron skillet on the campfire. Hey guys, so it is lunchtime and for today I'm making something that I haven't made in a while. I got some cauliflower here, some mushrooms, and the star of the show, which I've had in my pantry for a while, is this tikka masala sauce that I got a while ago. I thought it was really cool. I just never really got to use it, and today is the day. I'm really excited about this because I like tikka masala. Obviously this is going to be a whole vegetarian meal. I am going to put a few eggs in there, then I'll make a really nice bowl with spinach on the bottom and then a little bit of avocado and then the tikka masala. It should come out pretty good. So let's get cooking.
High above the mountains, far across the sea, carving out a canyon, destroying reasons for my wonder, the run I'll never reach, mystery unfolding. There is not a damn thing any man can do, 'cause I will never stop loving you.
Oh, exciting times. I love lunch hour. Alright, let's give this a try. It was fun making it. I'll tell you, even now, I am now looking forward to the cleanup after this dish. Hopefully it's worth it. It's pretty good. I wish it was spicier, but other than that, it's pretty delicious. I actually am gonna go get some spicy sauce and put some more in here just to give it a little kick. I like spicy food. Pretty good. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. Then I'm not gonna show you the cleanup because it's probably gonna be a lot of bad words and cursing, but I'll meet you later on tonight.
I took a back road through the hillside to a mountain to the peak. I looked around and saw exactly what I thought I wouldn't see. I saw what I wanted. I saw what I wanted. My head's a planet and my dreams are moons in orbit over me. I rode a rocket into outer space to see. I saw what I wanted. I saw what I wanted. treasure in the sand. I need a friend to stand beside me, hand in hand, to see what I wanted, to see what I wanted. Don't you see me all alone, baby? I'm a new fantasy. Never mind the smile. Don't you see me all imagine? I took a back road through the hillside to a mountain, to the peak. I looked around and saw exactly what I thought I wouldn't see. I saw what I wanted. I saw what I wanted.
I've been trying to get these mini pizzas on the oven, or in this case on the fire, for a while. Let's see how they go. Tastes like pizza, not bad. So since I don't have an oven, and I don't have, well, for pizza you actually just need an oven. I use the Dutch oven that I have. I think normally to get the best result is to put it on the coals, which one of you subscribers have actually told me. But it's a little cold, so I don't want to let the fire go too low. Anyway, these turned out pretty good. No complaints. It's a great night dinner snack. As some of you may know, if you followed for a while, my biggest meal is at lunch anyway. So dinner is more like a snacky kind of a thing, you know, just to keep it light. And these are great. Great mini pizzas. I'm gonna have a little bit of wine and enjoy the night. If you guys want to see more van life related content, like always, there are links everywhere. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy tonight, and then I'll see you in the next video.